Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Are you interested in finding someone's location using their phone number? Then here's how you can attempt to find someone's location by their phone number. Go to your preferred browser and search reverse phone lookup. Now you will find this website named as Truescaller. Click on it. Now here what you have to do is enter the country code and then enter the phone number and then click on this search button and this will find the location for you. Once the search is complete, review the results provided by the website. Keep in mind that the accuracy and detail of the location information may vary, and the website may only be able to provide a general location, city, or region associated with the phone number. And it is important to exercise caution while using these websites for locating someone's location by their phone number. Respect privacy and legal boundaries, and only use this information for legitimate and lawful purposes. And by following this method, you will be able to find someone's location by their phone number. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.